11th problem. What will rupees 500 amounts to in 10 years after its deposit in a bank which pays annual interest rate of 10% compounded annually? Here what will be the rupees 500 in 10 years after its deposit of bank which pays the annual interest is 10 percentage. Amount P equal to 500 and rate of interest is 10 percentage. So amount will be at the end of the second year is P plus PR by 100, isn't it? So we can take P as common thing. So P into 1 plus R by 100 for 1 year. And then for the second year, P into 1 plus R by 100 the whole square. And at the end of the 10th year, it has P plus R by 100 the whole power N. That N is nothing but 10 here. So put 10 here. That amount is 500. So 500 into 1 plus R is 10 percentage. So put 10 here. So 10 by 100 whole power 10 here. So we can cancel this 0 and 0. So we have the remaining thing as 1 plus 1 by 10 in the inside the bracket now. So then take LCM for this. So 10 plus 1 that is 11. 11 by 100 inside the bracket whole part 10. So at the here 11 by 10 is 1.1 whole part 10. So 500 into 1.1 whole part 10 here. 12th sum. In a certain term, a viral disease caused severe health hazards upon its people, disturbing their normal life. It was found that on each day the virus which caused the decrease the speed in GP. The amount of the infectious virus particle get doubled each day, bring 5 particles of the first day. Find the day when the infectious virus particles just grow over 1,50,000 worth. Here in that it doubles each and every day. The amount infectious virus particle gets doubled each day. Here it is clearly given doubled each day, being 5 particles on the first day. We want to find when the infectious virus particles just grow over 1,50,000. Here A is 5. Given the GP 5, 10, 20, 40, etc. till 1,50,000. Okay. We know that this is GP, isn't it? So the formula for Sn of GP is A into R power Tn equal to A into R power n minus 1. So this may be greater than 1,50,000. So we can have this R is 2 in because it is doubled each day and the first day it is 5, isn't it? So put instead of A is 5 and R is 2. So 5 into 2 power n minus 1 greater than 1,50,000. So we can have put this 5 to the other side so that it will become 2 power n minus 1 greater than 30,000. This 30,000 can be calculated in the form of 2 here. So we can write 2 power. We want to write this as in the power of 2. So we have 2 power 4 into 1875 here. And then we can take this 2 power 4 this side. So it will become 2 power n minus 1 by 2 power 4 greater than 1875. Take this 4 to the numerator so that it will become 2 power n minus 5 greater than 1875. Now take log on both the sides. We have n minus 5 into log 2 greater than log 1875. And then keep n minus 5 at the left hand side and take log 2 to the other side as division. So we have n minus 5 greater than log 1875 divided by log 2. In the logarithmic table, we can find the value of log 1875 as 3.2730. We know how to take log there. So 4 digits are there, subtract 1 from that 4 digits, that is 3 point, and we have to put the clock table as 2730 divided by, for the log 2 the value is 0.3010, and then divide this, we got this value as 10.873, and then take this minus 5 to the other side as plus 5. So we have n greater than 15.873. That n greater than 15 point something is nothing but n equal to 15 only, isn't it? So we can have in 15 days that bacteria will grow over